If someone landed on your makeup website right now, would they instantly feel like they're shopping with a viral beauty brand? In this video, I'm gonna give you some tips for how you can design your website to look high-end, build trust, and drive way more sales. If you haven't yet started your Shopify account, I have a way that you guys can get an extended trial with Shopify so that you can have multiple months to set up your website and launch products before you have to select a plan. As a new seller, you can enjoy your first 3 months on Shopify for just $1 a month. I'm gonna put my Shopify sign-up link in the description box below for you guys. Later on, when you select your plan, usually Shopify's basic plan is a good option for solopreneurs. You can save 25% when you grab an annual plan. I'm gonna link in the description where you can get started and enjoy your first 3 months for just $1 a month. One of the best ways to have a flood of sales come in within the first couple of hours or days of a product that you just launched is to prep your existing audience for the product before it's even live. You can add pre-launch or launching soon announcements to your website using a few different methods that I'm gonna show you in this video. First, I'm gonna show you how to add a launching soon announcement to your website, then how to add a full launching soon banner for the product or collection that you're about to launch. In Shopify, you want to click Online Store to open up your themes page. You can go in to edit your existing theme, or you can scroll down and install one of Shopify's free themes. Once you're inside your theme editor, I'm going to show you how to add an announcement bar at the top of your website so that you can start prepping your visitors for your launch. I'm first going to show you how to add an announcement bar. You'll want to hover over the header section of your website, then click Add Section. This is where you can select to insert an announcement bar section. When you click on the announcement bar, you'll have a few different customization options. You can apply a new color scheme to the announcement bar if you would like. And to retitle your announcement bar, you can click the arrow, then click on the announcement welcome text, and you can retitle the text. Try to add a call to action that lets your customers know what product is about to be launched. Once you added your text, that's how to title one text box on your announcement bar. You can click the mobile icon to see how your announcement bar is going to look on a mobile device. You can also stack your announcements in case you have multiple products launching. So when you click on your announcement bar, you can click the arrow back. Then you can click the Add Announcement button to add another announcement text. When you click on this text, you can retitle this and add another launch announcement. Also, once you officially launch your product, instead of it saying coming soon, you can add a just launched header, and then you can insert a link that leads to the product or the collection that you just launched. I'm going to enable the auto rotate announcements, and then I'm going to adjust the time. This way, when customers are on your website, the announcements are automatically going to move, which is going to add a little bit more animation to your website. That's just one of the very first ways that you can add a launching soon announcement to your website to prep all of your customers for your launch. The next thing you can do is add a pre-launch banner to your website. Adding a banner to your homepage that's going to take up a little bit more space and really let your customers know what you're about to launch and when, especially if you already have a teaser picture of the product. You want to open your website again, and you can decide where on your homepage you're going to place the banner. In between sections, you can click Add Section, and I'll be inserting an image banner section. Once you added that, you can customize the text boxes to have your launching soon heading text. You can also remove these default sections, so I'll just be deleting each of these, including the button labels, and I'm going to add my own launching soon banner. I have a membership that has a goldmine of digital resources that you can use specifically for your website. There's all kinds of digital items that you can use, and if you're a member, you can download and enjoy any one of these digital products for free. There's a set of launching soon banner templates for when you want to make those launching soon announcements. I'm going to be downloading this set of banners, and it's going to open up as editable templates in Canva. This way you don't have to make any of your banners from scratch. Just click Edit Template, and I'm now going to customize one of the banners so I can add it to the website. You can also add your photo of the product that you're launching soon. I'm going to drag and drop my photo into the image box. Next, I'm going to go ahead and download that banner so that I can add it to the website. Don't forget to select the exact page that you want to download. Back on Shopify, inside your image banner, just click Select, and then you can upload your launching soon banner. I'm also going to show you a mini email signup that you can add below your banner after you've added it. For the size of the banner, I'm setting the banner height to adapt a first image. In this way, for example, when customers land on my website, as they're scrolling, they're going to see that launching soon announcement, which specifically lets them know what product you're launching, your launch date, and I'm going to add an email sign up right underneath that section. So I'm going to click Add Section and then insert a email sign up. Adding the email sign up is optional, but this way your customers will know where they can join your email list so that they can get notified of when you launch the product. That's how you can add a launching soon banner to your website and give your customers an area where they can join your email list and get notified of when the product is live. I'll put the link in the description for where you guys can join my community so that you can grab the set of launching soon banners and also for your product launch. I have a product launch digital planner, which you can print out and start using to plan your entire product launch without any confusion. Next up, when your brand is going viral and customers land on your product page only to see that sold out message or the out of stock message, you definitely don't want your customers to click off your website and never come back. Simply mentioning a date or a way that they can get a restock update really helps them to keep that product in mind or keep it on their wishlist for later. I'll show you how to add an email sign up at the top of your product pages, along with how to add an email sign up to your homepage. This way your customers can sign up for the restock updates. You can go in to customize your website. On your website, you'll want to open up one of your products. I'm going to open an example product. If you'd like to add an automatic email signup that's going to add to all your product pages, you'll want to make sure that the default product setting is applied to your product pages. You can either place your email signup at the top of your product section, or you can add the email signup at the bottom of the page. For an example, I'm going to add it above the product information box. So I'm going to click Add Section to Template, and I'm inserting the email signup section. Once you add this section, you can customize the appearance of the section. So for example, you can apply a different color scheme. I'm also going to remove the heading text. To make the email sign up section a little bit more narrow, then in your subheading field, this is where you can add a call to action to direct your customers to join your email. You can also adjust the formatting of the text if you would like. This way, the moment your customer lands on the product page, even if the product is sold out, they'll see the area where they can join your email and get an update on when the restock is. You'll also want to add an email sign up to your website's homepage for the customers that have landed on your homepage. You can follow similar steps to add this email sign up to your website. If you guys also like the style of this website that I'm showing in this video, this is one of my Shopify templates, and I'll have it linked in the description box for you guys. It's a customizable Shopify theme, which can help you to save hours and even days of time from having to do your entire website on your own. I have a few different lines of Shopify themes for different business types, including if you have a clothing store, a jewelry or beauty store, and I have themes for many other business types. You can customize and change the colors. You can change the layout and add your own pictures to make the theme yours. It's also simple to install. On Shopify, you'll be able to click Upload a zip file, and you can upload that theme zip file straight into your store. Then you can edit it, publish it, and launch your store. And also, just so there's no confusion with the install process, each of my themes come with a step-by-step digital install guide to show you exactly how to set up and install the Shopify template into your store. No coding is required, and any products you already have on your Shopify dashboard will sync up and add to the theme. Using a premium theme allows you to have a branded and optimized website without having to do everything from scratch. I'm going to link this Shopify template in the description box below, along with where you can check out my other lines of Shopify themes. And next, when customers land on your website, you can help them form a connection with your brand by adding an About Us section. There's many different ways you can add an About Us section to your website. I'm going to show you a beginner-friendly, no-code way that you can add an About Us section. So on your homepage, in between sections, you can click Add Section. This is where you can select a text section that will feature your About Us text. I'm going to insert a rich text section, which is a super easy to edit section that allows you to insert your About Us text. So I retitled the About Us text. I'm also going to delete the button label. Next, you can click on the description text, and this is where you can add in your About Us text. To save time from writing your About Us text, you can use an AI writing tool like ChatGPT to write your text for you. You can choose to either freestyle your prompt and ask ChatGPT to create your text for you, or you can use a more detailed done-for-you prompt. I'm going to grab a prompt from my website prompt pack, and just for a few more details about my community, it has a huge collection of Shopify resources designed to help you set up and manage your store on Shopify. Inside my community, there are website prompt packs to help you generate product descriptions, About Us text, and other important website copy, along with size chart templates, product launch planners so that you can plan out your product launches. There's also my Shopify Basics guide, which is perfect for if you're brand new to the platform. Once you're a member, you'll have 24/7 access to download and enjoy every single digital item in the membership. The link for where you can join is in the description below. I'm just going to download this, and I'm going to copy the About Us prompt so that I can paste it into ChatGPT. Don't forget to customize the prompt to fit your business. Then you can use it to generate your text. I'm going to grab this text, then I'm going to paste it into the rich text section that I added to Shopify. You can customize the formatting of the text, and you can also click on the section, and you can reposition the text alignment. That's a beginner-friendly way that you can add an About Us section to your website quickly. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you are interested in this Shopify template, I will have this link in my description box below. And I also have a wide variety of other types of Shopify templates designed for clothing, apparel, beauty, and many other types of businesses. If you're not too familiar with Shopify theme templates, after your order, you're going to receive it in a theme zip file format. And here on Shopify, you'll have the option to install that theme zip file straight into your store. You'll be able to edit the section, and you'll be able to add your pictures and products. Most of my Shopify themes are template bundles, so they do include other templates like logo templates, banner templates, and more. Those will be linked in my description box below. Thank you all so much for watching.